but I'm excited about that. Homemade face products I really love because they're simple, they're effective. I don't need the fancy $100 lotions. I keep it pretty simple with my skincare, and I use one brand and then I make the rest of my things. And I really love adding blue tansy. That's another essential oil, is also great in skincare. If you have any questions on any of my other face care recipes or things like that, let me know. Maybe I'll do a whole video on that. And I'm excited to make these. This one, the shelf month is 9 months, so just make sure you're labeling and making sure. I don't want to use expired or just old oils or old products that you've made. So just make sure you keep in mind that. But that is March. I'm excited about it. I'm going to make a couple of reels right now, or shorts for YouTube, and show you how to make a couple of these. So stay tuned or look for those. But thank you guys for watching. Again, my code will be here and in the description of this video. You get $45 gift card back to use on things. And sometimes they have a deal where you can get the first box for $30. So it's a no-brainer to try it. But let me know if you have questions. Thank you guys for watching to the end. Have a good day.